Hi, welcome back to my channel. This will be the second entry to Geometria's devlog. A bit has been added since the last update, and in this video I'll show off some of it. First of all, I teased the new animal in the last video, and this time I'll display it. I call it the Apocalypse. It will be a passive creature that will roam the world slowly. It was quite hard to make a movement system for it because it moves so slowly. So I ended up taking advantage of the animation system and using that to activate and deactivate its walking when needed. I also chucked in a whale looking thing that floats through the air in a cool way. If you've noticed, I'm sticking to the same art style of large gaps in all the models. I find it very simplistic and easy to use. I gave the whale a bunch of vortex particles and called it a day. Lately I found that my camera is super finicky, so I've decided to remake it. I copied the Warframe camera system and made the camera float off to the right of the player on a virtual stand. It is much more efficient and smooth. I also noticed a humongous frame difference in the builds of the game. It is way smoother than in the editor. I don't know why this happens, but I'll take it. I also started to add swimming. I use the term swimming very loosely because it is closer to say that the player just becomes a torpedo. It would be almost ready except for the fact that the camera jiggles about all over the place. I am still working on improving that. Slowly but surely I am working my way down my Trello board. I found a game crashing bug in the game build, but I managed to fix it in a few days. It had something to do with the marching cubes algorithm I use for my terrain. I think that is everything for now. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you back here next time.